I'm going to drain through these points in seconds. It's going to be absolutely crazy. It's loading a lot quicker compared to FIFA 14. Oh! Shit! No! Oh my god, Ronaldo! Oh shit, let's take a picture of that! No fucking way! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, Ronaldo! Oh! Shit! Oh my god! I'm literally shaking! Oh my fucking god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy... Oh my god! Oh my heart! No! No! No!
Oh my days! I just packed mayo! 87! I want crap! What the fuck are you telling me? Oh my days! I did not just pack mayo! I did not just pack mayo! I told people! My pack lock this year is going to be fucked!
Here we go. Oh my god, 50,000 people still, that's incredible. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Skip. Oh! Oh my god! 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 My first ever legend! Oh my god! Guys, holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! What? I can't speak. This is what it feels like to get a legend. Oh my god, it's awesome. It's 10 o'clock. My window's wide open. I do not give a fuck tonight. Oh my god, this is insane. Holy shit, man. Literally, I'm too hot. I need to... I'm really, I'm hot off that, and I don't know why I just did that.
Pack! Or, I'm not gonna do this anymore. 4th pack, come on! I don't give a shit! I don't give a shit, nigga! I don't give a shit! I don't give a shit! Right!
Packs! Everybody! Oh my god! Schweinsteiger! 88 rated! The boy! You are one champion prick. Come on, please? Bruh. Oh! Hold me! I'm going! Oh shit! That is my best pack so far!